I dream of a wild forest. It seems to call my name. So green it goes forever, never settled, never tame. And there runs wild a river, so calm along the shore, that whispers, please come hither, come wander me once more. So when the sun is rising, strong to melt the snow, I gather pack and paddle, and north away again I go. May I find the wild forest, may I find the quiet shore. And if I find they all escape me, may I search forevermore.
I come to you by brushing paddle through the burning rain mist of a northern lake. There, that's my canvas, my canoe. Can you see me clearly now? Brushing paddle, stroke by stroke, northern rivers of your public schools. I was seen on every hall. Can you see me clearly now? I'll come to you alive as all the colors you'll imagine on a canvas. The promised greens of springtime, the threatening grays of fall. Algonquin, it seems so little time to do it all. I love the curl of water, the turning out of paddle, that perfect swirl of circles, now the past. Vermilion, cobalt, crimson, the sky is now electric, and the light is turning fast. Russian paddle, stroke by stroke, as west winds move the future of white pines. I cannot know the future, I only know this moment and how it is defined. But I'll come to you alive as all the colors you'll imagine on a canvas. The promised greens of springtime, the threatening rays of fall. Algonquin, it seems so little time to let go. I come to you by brush and paddle, through the mist Bill Mason, why even Pierre Trudeau. I am your invention, I am your great need. And Thompson, why Thompson is my name. I come to you by brush and paddle, through the lingering mists of a northern lake. There, that's my canvas, my canoe. Can you see me clearly now? And Thompson is my name. lost in the skein of